Although not a road rage situation, you may encounter aggressive pedestrians. We've seen protesters take to the streets and block traffic in recent times. If you can avoid these situations, do. Social media and news outlets often report these demonstrations, so if you can, find an alternative route. If you find yourself coming to a complete stop and have no way to get around the blockage, stop the vehicle, set the brakes, lock all the doors and windows, remain in the vehicle, and stay calm. Immediately notify law enforcement, as they may not be aware of the situation. And if you have a dash camera, make sure it's recording, or use your cell phone to record any incidents. Not all highway demonstrations are necessarily peaceful. Ensure that you're following your local law enforcement, news, and social media accounts to stay aware of any situations in your immediate area. Making safe decisions and ensuring people's safety is everyone's responsibility, drivers and protesters alike.